What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? I'm back once again with another unboxing. Today I got some keycaps for you. This is some Japanese PBT. They actually let me restart that. Die subbed keycaps. They are cherry profile, and I bought them on Amazon for, if I just quickly check, I can't remember the exact amount I bought them for. It's around, oh, apologies, shit the camera. Okay, so I bought them for £36. This is what you get. Like I said, Japanese set. They are PBT. I already mentioned that. What am I talking about? Let's forget I even said that. But wow, man, look at these. I really like these. Ooh, like I said, PBT. These are amazing, and they feel really nice. They've got like a nice coating on them. Check the back. Decently thick. Obviously, these being cheap, you're not gonna get the top-notch quality, of course. But for what I paid for them, they look really good. So let's check what's underneath. Wow, these are some really good quality keycaps. For what you're paying, £36, that is not bad at all. Like I said, it feels great. But yeah, man, these are amazing. These are some cherry profile keycaps. I can't remember if I said that already. It comes with a full set, obviously, as you can see. £36. Unfortunately, it's currently unavailable on Amazon, at least in the UK. You can get these from Banggood actually, but I believe they're more expensive on Banggood, which I got kind of lucky, I guess. I literally just arrived to this morning, and they're already unavailable, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to get these. But the only thing with these is the red sub-legends that doesn't necessarily go with my theme, but because it's so minimal, it's not in your face, so it should work out just fine. So we got, so I'm gonna slap these bad boys on my key move shadow. My little bad boy here, my little artisan keycap there ready. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna be doing a sound test also at the end, and gonna be doing a upgraded sound test for when I lube and film the switches for this, and the stabs also. Look at that, that's solid, really crispy legends, man. You can't get any nicer than that for the price that you're paying for these. Like I said, die subbed, that's why it's got this white interior and a black exterior. But wow, man. Right, so now that we've put all the keycaps on, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, these look fucking insane. Wow, I wasn't sure, because like with the stock keycaps that come with this board, obviously it's all like blacked out and it's kind of like stealthy, and like I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or not, but wow. These feel incredible. I mean, they look incredible. Moment of truth, let's plug this bad boy in. Guys, wow, that looks insane. I'm in love with these keycaps. Like, for real. Okay, and I've realized you do get a little bit of bleed through, the light bleed through these white circles here. Whoa. Oh man, guys, I am super really happy with these. Keep in mind, these are a budget option. Like I said, £36 on Amazon, currently unavailable now, but you can buy them on Banggood for a bit more. I think about £10 more. But man, do these look good. And now for a quick sound test. Let's see what these bad boys sound like. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button for this amazing keycap set. Man, do I like this. I really like this. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe for more content, unboxings, all of that good stuff. For what the future holds, hopefully I can find some more budget let's call it budget gold for you guys out there. Not everyone can spend 100 to 300 on aftermarket for GMK keycap sets. So and when you find something as nice as this, at least in my opinion, I'd like to share it with you guys and maybe help some of you guys out. Maybe someone was looking for something just like this. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.